grade ones. It is Friday and it is time to have our math lesson. And so yesterday you just did work in your workbook because we already did the lesson on Wednesday where we were talking about how to subtract from 10 and numbers all the way up to 40. Today we are going to talk about adding some numbers together. So I'm going to put some stars up on the board and you tell me how many. Here, let me turn my screen a little bit here. Tell me, how many stars do we have on the board right now? I hope you said 2. And I'm going to add a few more here. Okay. And how many did we add there? 3 more. So we started with 2, and we're going to add 3. Okay. And who can tell me what that answer is? What's 2 plus 3? Shout it out if you know it. Right. That is 5. Now, what if I add more stars on the end here? What if I add 4 more stars? Okay, so we had 5, and now we're going to add 4 more. Who can tell me how many stars I have now? That's right, I have 9. So we can add 2 plus 3 plus 4 all in 1. So I'm going to show you what that would look like. So we have 2 plus 3 plus 4. So when we have 3 numbers that we're going to add, we always start with the first, so 2 plus 3. So 2, and I'm going to do a little plus 3 gives me 5. So we add the first 2 together. Then we're going to add the 4 to give us 9. Awesome. So we start with the first 2 and add them, and then add on the third one. So we're going to look at some pictures in our textbook. So you're going to open to page 40 and press pause if you need to grab your textbook and open to page 40. And when you've got it all open, then you can press play again. And we've got a girl in our picture with a whole bunch of bags, okay? And at the top here, it has 8 plus 2. So she's got 8 bags here, and she's got 2 more in her hands. Who can tell me what 8 plus 2 is? Right, I hope you said 9, 10. 10 bags. Now, what happens if her brother comes along with 4 more bags? How many do we have? 14. So 8 plus 2 plus 4. We do the 8 plus 2 first is 10, and then we add 4 more. Let's go over to this page with some blocks. We're going to learn what 5 plus 5 plus 5 is. We're going to start with first doing 5 plus 5. What is 5 plus 5? 10. And then what if we add 5 more to that? 15. Awesome. Now let's go down here. And we've got 4 plus 4 plus 4. Well, let's start with the first 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then let's add 4 more. 9, 10, 11, 12. Right. Okay, and if you want to keep practicing it, there's some more down here that you can keep doing. So you add the first 2 numbers and then add your third one on. So today in your workbook, you're going to do 2 exercises. You're going to do exercise 28, which shows the picture of our adding. We're going to add children and butterflies. Then on the back, we have lots of different pictures of things we're going to add. And exercise 29 is where we're also going to go. And what you're going to do this, you're going to go across and add the numbers and put the answer. But you're also going to go down and put the number in the circle, adding all 3 of those numbers. Same thing down here, okay? And I believe that's the end of it. So 3 pages, 28 and exercise 29. And remember, you're going to add the first 2 numbers and then add the next number after that, okay? So you're going to complete that, and that is your math for today. And I hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.